Alam mo bang may staycation ka na under 2,500 pesos, may free breakfast pa at walking distance sa Broadway Centrum. Kaya nung may event kami around Broadway, naghanap ako ng malapit na hotel, clean, convenient at hindi mabigat sa budget. Nakita ko sa Agoda tong Madison 101 Hotel Plus Tower. Perfect kasi tapat lang ng Save More at Mercury Drug. So safe siya kung may mga need kang bilhin. Pagdating namin, may welcome drinks agad. Parang Four Seasons juice ata yun. Sobrang accommodating din ng staff. May 2,000 pesos security deposit dito pero standard naman yun. Since injured pa ako that time, thankful ako sa attendant na tumulong sa amin sa luggage. Yung room namin, simple pero cozy. May queen-sized bed, smart TV, fridge, electric kettle, at complete hygiene kit. Nalaman ko pa na dati carpeted yung mga rooms nila dito pero ngayon modern look na. Ang linis din, sobrang relaxing lang ng vibe. Meron din silang gym and the Manhattan Bar for chill nights. May happy hour at Tipsy Thursday promos, kaya kung gusto mong mag-unwind after a long week, nice ang spot na to. Sa breakfast, hindi buffet pero sulit to. Pwede kang mamili ng gusto mo. I had bacon, toast, and eggs, habang si Rayden naman, bangsilog with hot choco. Sakto lang sa umaga bago umalis. All in all, Madison 101 Hotel Plus Tower is perfect kung gusto mo ng affordable, clean, at accessible stay in Quezon City. Walang hassle, sulit sa budget, and everything you need is nearby. If gusto mo ring magstay dito, book mo na through Agoda and use my discount code AGODASCOUT for extra savings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para sa more travel finds.